Do you find it hard to adhere to your daily chores? I mean, I kind of do. I kind of don't. I'm pretty organized, but I kind of do. So I read somewhere that gamifying it, like, keeping track, like you want to read a book, so put a check mark next to I read a book today. And I decided to make a bunch of little wooden squares that I can put them on my magnetic board here and gamify it. So let's go make them. Never throw anything out, ever. So I have this cut off from making a cutting board. I'm gonna slice it up, then slice it up, and make little magnets. Let's see. Start by jointing the board. Cupped a little in storage, humidity changes. It's winter here. Then slice it off, I didn't show it, and plane it. Comes out perfect. Well, that's a first pass. After a couple of passes it does. Set the blade and chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. So the blocks are going to be square, and let's chop them. Laser fast lasering. Grab. Take out the old one. Put the new one in the corner there. Start. And done. Beautiful piece. Drill a bunch of holes. Thankfully I have a fastener of the right perfect size. Glue them all in. And sand, 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 sand. Dust them off, and we're ready. So I'm sitting right at my computer right here, and on the wall here is where I put this organizer. Check it out. So the idea is every morning I zero them out to X. Now today I didn't do weights yet, but I did do my cardio. I made stuff. I didn't read yet. I did make a YouTube video, more than just the one I'm making right now. So I did that. And I have these, I want to do sets of pull-ups throughout the day, at least 7. Today I did exactly 0. It's been a busy day. I hope to get at least 3 of them down here. So every day I accomplish a little thing, and every time I accomplish it, I sit down at the computer to check email or respond to one of your comments. And remember, I did something. This is visual, tactile. It's awesome. It's a constant reminder of what I've accomplished today. Really cool. Love it.